Welcome. Take this 1 minute to connect with your breath and your growth. Inhale deeply, consistency. Exhale slowly, doubt. Inhale the lessons of this quarter. Exhale the weight of past challenges. Inhale milestones, no matter how small. Exhale self-criticism. Inhale self-care, nurturing your body and your spirit. Exhale what no longer serves you. Inhale gratitude for your progress. Exhale resistance to change. Breathe into your healing. Breathe out into your evolution. Carry this presence forward because true growth begins and continues with every single breath.